Hey, just doing a quick pop-up drive-by on y'all to just drop y'all with this cute little craft. I'm sure y'all gonna like it. It's something quick and easy that y'all can do, and I don't know, I just thought about it and thought of you guys. So without further ado, check out this cute little craft. Today's book is called My Name is a Story, written by Grammy Award-winning artist Ashanti and illustrated by Monica McKay. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, Monica. I just love Ashanti, y'all. Like, that's my childhood, like I'm telling you. But I'm gonna let her tell you a little bit about her book. Check it out.
My Name is a Story.
My Name is a Story.
How cute is she? I want to squeeze her face. So cute, little baby Ashanti. She didn't know she was going to be in all this mess.
The title of the book being called
My Name is
a Story. And we're sitting up here talking about my story.
Yeah.
My name is definitely a story.
Right.
It's important for kids to feel confident in who they are, what they are. And when you have a unique name like Ashanti, don't be scared or fearful. You know, when the teacher mispronounced your name, correct them and be confident with that and be okay with that. You know, it's okay that your name is not Susie or Emily or Sarah or Dan, you know? It's okay, and be okay with that and embrace it and understand that your name is different for a reason. And you can celebrate that.
Yes, and I just love this book. My kids checked it out at the library, and I happened to just see it, and I was like, oh, Ashanti made a book? I read it, and I related to this so heavy because as a teacher, I used to butcher some kids' names, and I was like, y'all forgive me, you know, and then I used to think like, oh, it's not that serious. But no, after reading this book, it is that serious, and I need to do better, but I am horrible with names, y'all. So I love this book because it teaches kids how to really embrace who they are through their names. So that is what prompted our activity, the name art activity. So kids will get to celebrate and create their name in a creative way that reflects their personality and things they like to do and special things about them. So without further ado, let's get into this activity so y'all can start embracing y'all names. Lego. Oh, and of course, check out this book, y'all. It's at the library. It's free. I mean, you ain't even gotta buy it. Just check the book out, okay? All right, let's get into this name art activity. So it's super simple. You're gonna need some paper. You're gonna need some markers. You're gonna need some pencil, eraser, rulers, whatever you think you're gonna need because you are turning your name into a work of art. And here you can see my students are embracing this activity. They are starting with pencil and paper and sketching out what design they want for their name. Now, something I told them is to think about your personality. Do you play basketball? Do you are you funny? Let's see. Do you like nature? Do you like candy? Like, what is special about you? So they had to think, and then some of them wrote it down, and then they incorporated that with their names. So see at their art, you can tell some of them really embraced that and took it on, and others are very creative with the colors that they chose. So this is foolproof. Kids can't mess this up. Like, it's your name. It's how you want to be represented. So definitely have fun with this one. And you can make bubble letters, you can make stick figures, but they really enjoyed this. And then after your child is done, just glued a construction paper of their color choice. I glued it on the back of their art, and we hung them up in the windows, and kids could walk by the hallways and see their names hung up. And it was, you know, it was nice, just like this. So that's it. One of the easiest crafts on my channel. Well, I hope y'all like that idea, and drop down in the comments and tell me what you guys would do differently. But that's what my kids did, and it worked out pretty cute. I think you guys are gonna be all right. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video. I come up with lots of crafts and videos and activities. So if you like this type of content, I mean, I can pop out some more for y'all. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Bye.